Welcome to the Documoto Application Suite Overview. In this video, we'll be going over how to create static media. Before we dive into creating static media, it's important to understand what a static media is and what types of static media are supported in Documoto. Static media is a catch-all term for any content that is added to or linked to in Documoto where the source file is not editable in Documoto. This includes documents such as PDFs or zip files, images, videos, and external media or links to external websites. The complete overview of supported file extensions can be found in the Media Overview page at the beginning of this section. This page also includes which types of media are supported for in-app viewing, which will load in their native format, and which file types are downloadable files. Let's begin creating a static media. For this example, we're going to create a document from a PDF that we've previously uploaded into Documoto from DocuStudio. To start, we'll open the Publisher module from the Admin menu on the home page. With the Publisher module now loaded, we begin with the Media Manager and we'll select New from the bottom. This opens the Create Media pane in which we can enter a unique identifier, DOC000001. We can select the media type, which in this case is document, and then click Add from System to open the document selector. This gives us access to all the static files that we've previously uploaded to Documoto. You do have the option to select a document directly from your computer, but it's best practice to upload it to Documoto first. We'll select this file 008359_0889. We'll click Select, and now that we have our file targeted, we need to add a name and any applicable tags. We'll call this the RT178 Operator's Manual. With that information inputted, we click Create and are automatically taken to the Media Properties pane to view the details of our new document. From this pane, we can modify the source or target file, edit the name, change the thumbnail, apply access controls related to other media, as well as add metadata such as tags or comments. By creating static media, all your technical support materials, including parts catalogs, service manuals, repair bulletins, instructional videos, and inspection reports, can securely be stored in one central location, accessible 24/7 by any web-enabled device. Thank you for watching.